Right. Before we go into the questions, I want you all to just do me one quick little favor. See if we can draw out all the rules now. Quick. See if we can draw all 6 rules. Quick, quick, quick. Huh? Just draw it and write it in. Right, because today we want to do a few and wrap up this topic, right? So just for you to review, try not to look back and see if you could write out all 6 rules. The objective is not to look back, right? And see if you can get all the rules. All 6 rules. Once you draw them, it means that you should have an idea about the rule. Put the angles the equal, put them in. Where you have them? All right, so the 6 rules is really for you to try to remember them, right? All right, so next we go into June 2013, draw a diagram, and we're going to try to explain it. Right, draw a diagram, then I'll show you what they want, right? It is June 2013. All we're doing is a few of these today. And I know everybody not here tomorrow, but tomorrow I'll do lunch, right? But for those who have class tomorrow, lunchtime. As what, physics? Earlier class fast, yeah. But we'll finish up the last topics fast and then we'll copy it down and then we will if you want, you could try and figure out all the angles. Then we'll go back and answer what they asked us to do. If you want, you could go right ahead and try and figure out all the angles. Right, so without looking at what they ask you, see if you can figure out all for now. If you could just take your time and go through all. Right, look for all the radii, look for the rules of the radii. But I see it right here, you can find all the answers. Something to that, right? All right, let's go. Let's see how much you got. All right, so I am not looking at what they asked us, right? I just want to see what we have right here and what we could figure out. So good. Let's see. First thing first, what type of triangle is OBA? OB is isosceles, right? So here and here equal. So therefore here is also 40. Correct? So could we finish that triangle off? 40, 40. So here must be 100. And then angle at the center is half the angle of the at the circumference. So the angle here is how much? 50. That's okay? Could we find this little piece that remaining here? We know 50, we know 35, 40, and 40. So you can just add up all and minus from 180. How much is that? I have 15. 15? 15. How much is here? 90. Tangent meets a radius, 90. So how much is here? How much? 55. And how much is here? Here is 92. So here is 50. That's okay? And watch this here earlier. Watch this here. This is the same as this. Say that? Triangle rule. The alternate angles equal. This is the same as this. Okay? Now let's go back and see if we could. So I remove it. You have to answer all now and give them a reason. Try it and see. Answer all and give them a reason why you got that. I'll go through each one just now. You already have a diagram label, right? So I'll leave it there for a minute. Going down here, take a picture of. Yeah, going back there. So write down all with the reason, go write down the answer alone, Brad. So you have there. I want the reason too. I know you write down the answer alone. Smart man, Yeah, you had to put the explanation after. So we just do it. Let me see. I'll tell you that some. Try it first now. Sorry. Well, I can't tell you yet. All right, let's go. EBF. So EBF is here, right? EBF is here. So how do we explain that? We have to say that OBE is 90 degrees, right? Because a tangent meets a radius, angle is 90, right? So it means that EBF is equal to 90 minus 55. Sorry, 90 minus 35, which is 55. Right? That's the first explanation. So you have to say OB tangent meets a radius, angle OBE is 90. And then write 90 minus 35. Okay? Yeah? There you go. You learn your rules. Yeah? And then where we go next? We go to BOA. So you want to get here. What's the explanation? OBA is isosceles, right? So here is 40. So you will tell them that BOA is 180 minus 40 minus 40, which is 100, right? So your explanation will be OBA is isosceles, right? Therefore, BOA is 180 minus 40 minus 40. Okay? That's where your reason will be. Yeah? But we don't have the angle circumference as yet. Right? We're going to use that for the third one. Right? So for the third angle, BFA or AB, sorry, what's the third one? AFB. Right, AFB, angle at the center is 100. So angle at the circumference is half that angle. Okay? Angle at the circumference is half the angle at the center. Right? You have to give them that full explanation. Someone not writing, like Diego, you're not writing. You have to write the call, not the rules to write. AFB is 50 degrees. Angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference. That's okay? Everybody okay with that? Last one. The last one is, I think, OBF. OAF, sorry. That's right here. What's the explanation you'll give for that? Huh? What's the explanation you'll give for that? Because remember, you have here and you have here. What's the explanation you'll give? All right, if you want to use the alternate angles are equal and then subtract, or you could say all the angles sum to 180, right? All the angles in a triangle sum to 180. And then you can minus off all of this. Or, as I said, you can use the alternate angle theorem. Triangle meets a tangent, alternate angles equal. So this small angle here would have been 55 minus 40. 15 degrees. That's okay? So we'll be going all out at one. This one's going to be a little bit harder. Right? We're going to try and get all the angles for this next one in. Okay, the one that we just did was June 2013. Right, online, I would like to get answers from everyone, right? Jaden, you'll message your answers, right? Carisha, you too. Try this here. This is out of the year after. Try this one here. 3 things to find. OUZ, UVY, UW. Try that there. Drawing diagram. Actually, you know, I have a diagram just right on the right? Of the some other tricky, some other going on. All right, let's check for this. But it's cool, huh? Got my phone here all the time. All right, so let's take a look at this here. OUZ, that's here. So if here is 70, how much is here? 110, right? And then this triangle is isosceles. So that means here and here equal. So 110, 180 minus 110 is 75. So it means that here is 35. Here is also 35. Right? So you'll have to use two rules, right? You have to tell them number one. Right? You have to tell them number one. How you got O, angle in a straight line is 180. And then you tell them OUZ is isosceles. Okay? So you kind of have two explanations there. OUV now. UVY. Where is that? Right here? UVY is here. So how we figuring out UVY? Well, first thing we could see is that YUV is 90 degrees. Y'all seeing that? YUV is 90. Right? Very good. Here is 90. And the Y is also 35 because of same chord forming two triangles. Y'all seeing that? So it means that here is 90 minus 30, sorry. Well, 90 minus 35. Or 180 minus 90 minus 35. So that's 55 there. So UVY is 55. That's okay? Last one, UWO. Where is that? Here. You want to get this last one here. Right? That's real easy. That's the easiest one. Here is 90. Here is 70. So here is 90 minus 70, which is 20. So the explanation there is triangle OUW, right? It's a right angle triangle. And you put 90 minus 70. Right? And that's it. That's the way I handle questions like this. All right. Let's just squeeze in one and we could wrap up. And we could party with the M&M's here. Right. So the next one, here's what I want to do. Whoever can finish it out first, you don't have to draw diagrams. All I want is all the answers must be correct with proper reasoning. Right? Come up, correct. You get all right. And then it's yours. It's yours. What year was this? This was June 2012. June 2012. All right, I don't want to make it too hard. Go ahead. You don't have to draw it. Everything starts now. Oh, yeah, try that there. Why on the phone, Diego? Try this one here for me, please. Write it down with reasoning. You think you have it? All three, yeah? To come one by one. M&M's is yours. Notice there is no center. Right? There is no center. What are you doing there? Oh. PTR, TPR. Hi, buddy. Reasoning is key. This is my book close. Queen, not doing it all. When book closing. Hurry up, send a pic as someone done it to those who are online. Okay, Richard. Hey, everyone. Push-ups. Okay, all right, I'll tell him. You can jump over that. All right, I will tell him. Please come tomorrow. I will ask him, but come tomorrow, so long to get rid of those. If you need the money. All right. All right. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Yeah. Yeah. After 9 as we 8 o'clock as we. Anybody else yet? If not messaging, Jilan messaging. We messaging Jilan. I have gotta send all Sebastian. Hey, no working in players and working in groups, sir. Yeah. Yes. Hurry up, hurry up. Yes, we will not coming. So don't worry, we come tomorrow.
So I give Sandy his already.
So, yeah.
I had
I
to
love
come to drop back his keyboard.
Huh?
To come to give you his keyboard to store in the office.
One time. Light up the 9 1 time. That's one person, nobody here? All right, Sam, let me see if anybody get the M&Ms. She in there. She in there.
PTRs 46. PPMs. Right, yes. Straight line out. Just correct. Check mark. Right, check and make sure. Well, next week you can do it. We have. No, what's up? Check down. He had one mistake. He just had one little mistake. Everything to get? M&M still up for grabs? Yeah, Malini? Quinn? You don't like M&Ms? Anybody? Spices? I'm gonna see if anybody online deserve it as yet. Nobody online as yet. Alright, so send all the angles to us, Sebastian. Bradley, have one. Can you get them? Come now, if you're wrong, if you're right, you get M&Ms. If you're wrong, you don't get it. That's all. I don't like peanut.
No, they're not peanut. It don't matter. Just come and see if you get it right. It don't matter. Come and see if you get it right. Anybody? Nobody, right? So let's just check back that particular one. Let's check back that particular one, right? Richard? Right, let me see if Leon. No Shane, Leandra. I mean, Lorraine. No Shane, eh? No Shane, forget it. All right. Again. But wait, but the reasons are to be right. But I don't like this point. Oh, you got this. Oh, you have the diagram. Okay, you got it.
Because we were going this week,
Alright, well, finally leave it now, but Emily dad said he coming over. And I'm about.
Yours. Yep. Very good. So then, anybody think to get? All right, good. One person got all. I have a next pack here. Anybody else? I have a next pack. I'll leave it in the grocery box. I have a next pack. Okay, I was going to go and pick it up. Anybody else think they get it? No? I'm Jamie on. You ain't get it? How much you got? You got the first one? Right. Once you get the second one, you can figure out the third one. I'll give you a hint, right? I'll give you a hint. You should get the first one, hopefully. Try and figure out here. Huh? And then you'll figure out here. So once you figure out there, you already have here. So you can figure out here. You get? Bradley? Well, I'm assuming now. But it have no M&M's here now, so come up with lemon correct. We gotta put your reasoning. You have to put the reasoning. But let me see if you're right. Come. The only way you could escape the reasoning, I don't know if there's still market like that, but long ago you could escape the reasoning by writing out every single angle in the diagram. All the angles in the diagram, if you fill it out, they'll give you the full marks. I don't know if there's still market like that. Because I find like the amount of marks allocated change. So they may have changed that. All right, correct. Who's this? Who just messaged there? Samira, good job. Here will be, right? Here and here will be the same thing. Right? And then if you can fix it up. But no isosceles here now. You can't see that it is equal because it's not going to the center. So there's no isosceles triangle. What it have here is the triangle and tangent. And next one. Hey, Manchino. Lorina's Manchino just think so. All right, so let's see. Let's work through it, right? You guys, Jacob? So let's start here, Jacob. What you got here? What angle is there? Huh? The angle at T here, PTR. All I ask is what you have. But let's tell me what the angle is supposed to be. Saunders, what angle is supposed to be there? 58, good try, but what you see? Triangle meets a tangent. So you could use the alternate segment rule. You see that? So if there's 46, how much is here? 46. Right? And then we could work out here because we know that here, that angle there is 180 minus 46 minus 32, which was 102. So we know that here is 78. Okay? So how much is here? What's up there? How much? 56. Very good. 180 minus all of that. How we get the last one? What's the rule are we going to use for the last one, Faith? TSR. Look at the shape. See? What is called it? Cyclic quadrilateral. So therefore, we're using this cyclic quadrilateral rule.
So here is 180 minus 56. Right, which is 124. 124. All right, good job, Lorraine. Huh? Oh, to wrap up there? I want one more. All right, so let me do a little dive. All right, see what? I'm giving you a chance. Pick a number, and then we will decide what that person said. I'll pick 3 people. All right, one say 4. Nah, 3 people. I'm picking 3 people, and you're allowed to pick a number. If any of those numbers you land on it, you can decide what to do. You can pick first 1, 4, 7. What? 7. No, that's 1. 6, 1, 1, 6. So we see. 5. Right? So that means we can get one more. And Faith will start it up here. Hello, one more, just one more. All right, one more, we're doing it orally. Right? Watch it here. Right, so what's the diagram? We have the 2 tangent rules. You all seeing that? 2 tangents meeting a chord. So this triangle here is what? Yes? Isosceles. So that means that the angle here and the angle here are equal. Could you tell me what it is? 63, that's 126. Okay, yeah. So 63 here, 63 here. That's the whole thing, right? Nice. So they want, let's see what they want first. M, R, Q. Ooh, they want hard first. Right, anyway, we'll come and do that. What is RMQ? RMQ. See a triangle inside of what? Come in here. Triangle inside it. Sorry, angle inside a triangle inside a semicircle, right? So the angle and the circumference. What is it? Yes. All right, so sorry there. Let's finish up that. Yeah, we said BRQ. Oh, we're coming back to that. We said that here's 90. Right? We said that there is 90, and we said that here will be 70. Okay? Right. What else we could do? What else we could do? Right. How we get MRQ though? Where is M? Oh, right. MRQ. So we got that. That's 70. What is PMR? PMR is this little piece right here. How are we doing that? So we found the whole thing is 63. We have to find they want us to find right here. And we know that here is 70. All right, you all remember the last rule? When a chord is cut by a radius. Anybody remember that? Oh, yeah. Right. All saying that. Right. So the last rule quickly there. Here is 70. Not looking like it, but here is 70. And based on the last rule, when the radius cuts a tangent chord, here is supposed to be 90. So it means that this little piece here appears to be 20. So this part here will be 43. And the whole thing was 63. So it appears to be 43. And the last one is what? PMN. Oh, we will got that already. PMN is 63. Okay, I find it strange that we get to figure out that part first now. Actually, I feel out back to front. You're seeing this? What you see here? So here's 70 and here's 90, right? But what you see here? Tangent meeting a triangle. So it means that here's 20. You're seeing that? And then, well, we would have figured out later on that here is 43 and this whole thing is 63. All right? So we had to kind of go in reverse. So I'm going to show it over again. MRQ is 70. The reason for that is that the angle here is 90. That's okay? Yeah? PMR is this little piece here. This and this will be equal, so that's 20. And PMN, this is isosceles. So here and here will be equal. So you work it out and you'll get here to be 63. Here to also be 63. Okay, that's the order they wanted it in. All right. This topic is a challenging topic, right? I still want you all to take a few of the past papers and try them. Right? And you can go on FastPath and check the answers. But please do some more. All right. Some of the more recent years are a little bit easier. Right? So like try 21 and 19 and 18 and things. All right. When we return, we have a couple of topics again to finish up the syllabus. Then I'll start over. All right. Your class, I'll message on the group to remind you, your class is on a Wednesday, same time, 3 to 5. And there's this Saturday as well. All right, if you want, but it's Saturday, they're starting over. Okay? So if you find if you forget everything, you can join the Saturday as well online. Okay? You don't have to pay extra. You can join Saturday online as well. But if Saturdays, they will start over. All right, all you? All right, well, enjoy the rest of vacation for some of you. Tomorrow, those who come, well, I'll try and do lunch for you, right? Some doubles and coconut water.